What's up, guys? Have you ever dreamed of achieving a bent arm handstand press? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know to master this skill. Let's go. The bent arm handstand press is basically half of a handstand push-up. So when starting from the bottom, you want to start with your elbows at a 90-degree position. You want to make sure they're not flaring out. You want to keep them inside. As you press up, focus on keeping your core activated, hollow body position, and also squeezing and engaging your legs and glutes so that you're not flaring everywhere. You want to keep your whole body tight as you press all the way up. That's basically the technique for the bent arm handstand press. Let's get into all the exercises. All right, so the first exercise is feet elevated bent arm handstand press. First progression is using one leg to kick up. The second progression is using both legs to kick up. And the third one is just leaning forward and allowing your feet to lift off. This one is really good. It's basically assisting your handstand press with your feet higher, so it's making it easier. This next exercise is focusing on the pike hold, specifically the entrance into the handstand press. For the first progression, you're going to be in a straddle pike, leaning into it and lifting your feet up just for a few seconds, then coming back down for 3 reps. The second progression is going to be doing the same thing, but with your feet together in a pike full. And then the final progression is going to be doing it in a pike full, but lifting up and holding for as long as you can. The reason why I like this exercise is because it simulates the handstand press on the floor. So wherever you are, you're already getting used to getting into that handstand press. So you can do it anywhere you want. I love handstand push-ups because they are the main exercise that's going to help you build strength for the press and for more advanced skills. The first progression of the handstand push-ups are working your way to doing 1 clean rep. You can start by doing partial reps or holding at the bottom until you have 1 clean rep. And then you want to build your way up to doing 5 clean reps and then eventually 3 sets of 5 clean reps. Once you can do this, you already basically have the strength to do the press. So the handstand push-ups was mainly to build strength. This exercise is to work on your balance. It's going to be the crow to handstand. Starting with the first progression, you're going to be working on the bent arm crow position. And then for the second progression, you're going to be working on just the handstand hold, working on balance. And then for the third one, putting those together from the crow pressing into the handstand. So guys, obviously this is a hard skill that requires a lot of patience and body control. So what I would recommend is to do all these exercises for around 3 to 5 sets and really figure out your structured routine and which exercise helps you improve the most. You want to do these exercises around 2 to 3 times a week. As a beginner, I would suggest doing more strength training like your pike push-ups, regular push-ups, and dips. And if you're more advanced, you can add more of the hand balancing into your routine. So you can do hand balancing around 4 to 5 days a week, and then make sure that you're giving yourself enough rest in between your strength training days. Another thing is patience and consistency, super important factors when learning this skill because it's going to take you a lot of time. Even if you're not making progress right away, you want to stick with it because the more you practice, the better you're going to get. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Peace.